Hey guys, so hopefully you have your structure together if you're watching this video. What I did was I left my structure out while I was doing the pattern part. So because you can't move on to the piercing until you have the pattern done. So unfortunately, I forgot to hit play or record when I was doing my transfer. So I have my pattern finished, but I didn't do a demo for it, I guess for the video tutorials, but I mean, I did it in class. So just as a reminder, get your white strip of paper that you cut out, and you have your carbon, so you're gonna put it shiny side down onto your white paper, and you can test it out to make sure it's on the right side, and then put your pattern on top of the carbon. And I would tape it down if you have some tape or if you have a paper clip. So if it moves, then it might be hard to kind of line back up. So then once you're done tracing that section, just simply move it over. And what you want to do is you want to go all the way across your white paper. So I messed up in the middle, so I had to fix that. But your pattern should go all the way across. And remember, I told you could just do a middle strip, you could do a section at the top, or a section at the bottom, or one of each. So you can choose that. I went ahead and just did pretty much the whole structure, but you don't have to. You can just pick one area, but you don't want a lot of blank space. So if you are only going to do the top and the bottom, drop it down so maybe you only have about 2 inches in the middle, 2 to 3 inches in the middle. And then if you're going to do 3 different sections, one at the top, one in the middle, and then one at the bottom, don't go all the way. Hold on, I'll show you with your paper. Don't go all the way to the top of your paper though, because you need to leave a little bit room for the foot, and then if we add anything to the top. So drop it down a little bit, and then you can do your pattern like right in here and then the middle. If you have a ruler, you might want to measure it if you're dividing it. So anyway, so once you get the structure built, you are going to want to do your pattern on your white piece of paper, and then you're ready for the transfer. However, mine is still too wet here. So you can see I can still move it pretty good. So I'm gonna let that set up just a little bit more before I do the transfer. So between today and tomorrow, you should have your structure done and your pattern ready to go. And then the next video will show you how to actually put it on the lantern structure. So if you have any questions or you're running into any problems, shoot me an email or comment in the area below. Talk to you guys soon.